Hello friends, welcome to Agribuddy. So today we are going to discuss some important questions for competitive exams. Question 1. Fruit fly lay egg under the skin of which fruit? And the options are okra, brinjal, tomato, pumpkin. And the correct answer is pumpkin. Question 2. Propanil belongs to which group of herbicide? And the options are amides, nitriles, diphenyl ethers, dinitroaniline. And the correct answer is amides. Question 3. The optimum moisture content for the safe storage of oilseed crops is, and the options are 8%, 10%, 12% or 14%. And the correct answer is 8%. Question 4. The scientific name of Niger is, and the options are Clotoraria juncea, Guizotia abyssinia, Gossypium hirsutum, or none of these. And the correct answer is Guizotia abyssinia. Question 5. Which element is essential for osmotic and ionic balance in plants? And the options are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur. And the correct answer is potassium. Question 6. The process of glycolysis occurs in the following part of the cell. And the options are cytosol, peroxisomes, chloroplast, mitochondria. And the correct answer is cytosol. Question 7. Transformation of whole inflorescence into twisty leafy structure in bajra is the symptom of which disease or insect? And the options are ergot, downy mildew, smut or white grub. And the correct answer is downy mildew. Question 8. The best dual purpose breed of cattle in India is, and the options are Kankaraj, Tharparkar, Ongole, Haryana. And the correct answer is Haryana. Question 9. Phytoplasma belong to which group of microorganisms? And the options are algae, fungi, bacteria, virus. And the correct answer is bacteria. Question 10. The meat of which of these is called mutton? And the options are calf, ram, buck or boar. And the correct answer is ram. Question 11. In North America, temperate grasslands are called, and the options are prairies, savannas, tussock, steppes. And the correct answer is prairies. Question 12. Loyal timber of poor farmer is known as, and the options are deodar, sal, teak, bamboo. And the correct answer is bamboo. Question 13. Which of the following is a systemic fungicide? And the options are Zineb, Mancozeb, Carbendazim, all of these. And the correct answer is Carbendazim. Question 14. Nellore is the tallest breed of sheep, is native of which state? And the options are Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question 15. Which is a male sterile line in hybrid seed production? And the options are A line, B line, R line, none of these. And the correct answer is A line. Question 16. Area irrigated by 1 cubic discharge of water is, and the options are delta, base period, duty, none of these. And the correct answer is duty. Question 17. Which of the following dormancy is genetically controlled dormancy? And the options are innate dormancy, enforced dormancy, induced dormancy, none of these. And the correct answer is innate dormancy. Question 18th. Which of the following is a leaf fiber? And the options are jute, cotton, agave, none of these. and the correct answer is agave. Question 19. Which of the following are accessory elements? And the options are NPK, CHO, NPS or ZnCuNFe. And the correct answer is NPS. Question 20. Goat breed excellent for meat purpose is, and the options are Betul, Barbary, Black Bengal, Sirohi. And the correct answer is Black Bengal. Question 21. Mr. F.L. Brain is associated with, and the options are Marathon Dome, Gurgaon Experiment, Etawah Pilot Project or Sevagram. And the correct answer is Gurgaon Experiment. Question 22. Texas cytoplasm is the source of male sterility in which of the following crop? And the options are sorghum, maize, rice or wheat. And the correct answer is maize. Question 23. Humus colloids are mainly composed of which of these? And the options are ozone, carbon, nitrogen or helium. And the correct answer is carbon. Question 24. What is the fruit of banana called? And the options are berry, capsule, sorosis or pome. And the correct answer is berry. Question 25. What kind of nesting behavior is seen in Apis cerana indica? And the options are depends on environment, parallel combs, single unit or octagonal. And the correct answer is parallel combs. Question 26. Medium term loan is given for the period of, and the options are 1 to 1.5 years, 1.5 years to 5 years, 5 to 30 years or 30 to 50 years. And the correct answer is 1.5 to 5 years. Question 27. Which of the following is known as the queen of timber? And the options are maize, teak, bamboo or palash. And the correct answer is teak. Question 28. Filter chambers are seen in which of the following insect? And the options are aphid, mites, louses, fleas. And the correct answer is aphids. Question 29. Fireflies belong to which of the following order? And the options are Diptera, Orthoptera, Coleoptera, Mycoptera. And the correct answer is Coleoptera. Question 30. Specific gravity of milk fat is, and the options are 0.85, 0.93, 1.03 or 1.05. And the correct answer is 0.93. So that's all for today. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe everybody. Thank you.